Right, hello once again YouTube, Andy with you with another video. Right, so this is around about, I believe, day 4. It's about 8 o'clock in the morning. We go down for our Turkish breakfast. What you see is pretty much what you get. And it was very nice, to be fair. Then moving on to about 10 o'clock in the morning, we decide to jump in a taxi from the Mir Casa Hotel in Calis. We then drive across the town of Fethiye, and we're now going to be heading towards the mountain which is called Mount Babadag. Now, Babadag actually means Father Mountain. It's about 6,500 feet in elevation. It's not the tallest mountain in and around Fethiye, but nonetheless, it's quite high. So we're just going to be ordering our tickets now because they've now installed a cable car. Myself and my wife had never been on a cable car before, so this is kind of a new experience for us. And so we just pick it up when we're just about to buy our tickets. And yes, the journey continues. Hello, can we have 2 tickets?
340. 240.
3. I'll give her 200. Thank you very much. Right, so we've got our tickets to go up the cable car up to Mount Babadag. Yeah, I've been up there before. Some years ago. Hello there. In here, just in here, yeah. Right, so that's some of it. There is another bit actually. So we're kind of 3/4 of the way up. You can go higher. You can get on the seats there, and you can, like the ski lifts, and then you can travel up to the top there. Anyway, there we go. This is where I jumped off from some years ago. It's a bit hairy. It actually looks worse than it is because you just kind of have a bit of a run like that guy is there, and Geronimo, then you just got to get up as quick as you can, and then it takes about 45-50 minutes to get down to the beach, which is some way down there. Anyway, wonderful. Yeah, it's a bit nerve-wracking if you do it for the first time. Been there, done it. I don't need to do it again.
What's wrong, dude? You yellow?
I shat myself once. I don't need to shit myself again. Got a bit of a glass floor going on here. This is safer than that. That's thinner than this.
Okay, sit down.
What's coming? Here we go.
Close bar.
Bag down. Thank you.
There, like that.
Oh, here we go.
Woo. Yeah,
Okay.
okay, we're done.
Rest my feet on there. Look. What we need now is some nice soft music. Sorry about the wind noise, it's a bit windy up here. We are around about 6,500 to 7,000 feet. I don't feel unsafe, to be honest.
No, I
Has
don't.
it?
No.
It's been a good experience coming up here. And there is a video on YouTube, I've not seen it for years, that some chap actually walked or climbed Mount Babadag. And in some places it's pretty much unclimbable. But he must have found a pathway up somehow. It'd be fine, Marj. If not, we just stay on it and go round.
That must be. Oh, I don't know.
So the
Restaurant?
yeah, I think that is a restaurant. Yeah. So the taxi ride was 300 lira, which is about 15 English pounds, $15 now because it's a pound per $1. And to get in this place was 340 lira, which is about £17. That's for two of us. So that's the ride up and the ride back as well.
The maintenance of the
How are you?
Oh.
Yep. Go back. Yep. And then.
Okay, can go.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Help my wife.
Oh, I
There
done
we
it,
go.
I
That was
done it, I
easy.
done it.
Easy. What was you worried?
Right side, right
What was you worried about? What was you worried about? Thank you. I feel on top of the world. Right, we'll take you over here. You can have a little look down. So Olodenese Beach down there. And that is what we are looking at. Wonderful. Anyway, we can go and get ourselves a cup of tea or whatever else there is and enjoy the view for an hour or two, and then we're going to head on back. It's about 6 o'clock now, so sun's fairly high in the sky still. It's not going to be going down anytime soon. Right, cup of tea time, Marj. Cup of tea time, Marj. 175.
I'm not hungry.
That's less than a tenner for a burger, and I guess you get chips and everything else with it. I'm not hungry, I just want a cup of something. 2 coffee, 2 lattes or something.
2 lattes.
Yeah, that'd be lovely. Drink your heart out, Aid Larson. There you go, so that works. Just here we go. There we go. Wriggle yourself in. Close bar. There you go. Okay, right, we're off again. We're going down, we're going down. Actually, it wasn't as cold. I remember it being a lot colder last time we came up here. So yeah.
Got to take pictures of us in this.
Oh, here we are, haven't we? Come on and get your camera ready. Just telling my wife that there's normally maybe 1 or 2 or maybe 3 fatalities a year with the jumpers.
Right, we need to.
There we go. Thank you. There we go. Thank you. Tara, other way. Gonna get bumped, mate. Gonna get bumped. Let's go this way. Right, and out we go. So that was that bit. That was the sit-on bit. Now we've got to do the get-in bit, which is the one which takes us right down to ground level, sea level. Hey, you've got this one to ourselves this time. Yeah. Nice experience. Yep, been there, done it. I might do it again. What do you reckon?
Yeah, I'll definitely do it again.
Do it again. I think it's probably worth it, just for coming up here and seeing the view and having a coffee or having a beer. What not to like? Seems to go a bit faster this way. There we go, people. So that's pretty much what we did today. I think I've made a full video out of this actually. Yeah, so there we go. That was our experience of Mount Babadag, cable car, and all the rest of it. Right, so that was our video for this particular day. We both enjoyed our visit to Mount Babadag, and going in their cable car was a great experience. Yeah, I can think of worse places to be actually. So in the next video we're going to be going to a place called Oludenese, where we're going to be watching some of the paragliders come in, and we also go for a boat ride and just a general walk around. So please join us for that one, and thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye for now. Go back before this camera goes in the water.